Welcome everyone to the Beer Money Engine YouTube channel. We do three things on this channel. First, learning to earn money through beer money apps, through play-to-earn games, survey sites, watching ads, and more. Second, learning to use that money and invest it in tried and true investments, and maybe even throw a little into some fun new ones. And finally, enjoying it all in the process and living a happier life. This channel is not about getting rich quick. This channel is not about selling you something to getting you part-time or gig work. It's simply about using extra free time to make money. I've made over $20,000 worth of beer money in cash, gift cards, and even a little bit of crypto over the decade plus I've gotten involved in it. And I constantly search for the best beer money apps to this day. If you want more information on what I do, I have a Get Started playlist at the very top of this channel. Go through that playlist to get started, especially the one on what a beer money engine is, and I will see you in a future video.